Hey, what's up guys? In today's video I'm going to show you how to use the back tap on your iPhone. If you tap it twice, if you set it up right, 1 and 2, my camera pops up. If you tap it triple times, 1, 2, 3, my screen gonna locked up. Well, how to set this thing up? How to set up the back tap? Here we go. Go to your settings. Okay, click that. And then scroll down, look for accessibility right there. I put a red circle on it. Click on that. And then you're going to be looking for touch. I put a circle on it. Click on that. And you're going to scroll all the way down until you see the back tap. Put a red circle on it. You see it's off. We're going to activate the double tap first. So for me, I like to activate the camera because I like to take the selfie. If you tap it twice, the camera will pull up right there. Now we're gonna go back to tap. Then we're gonna activate the triple tap. So I like to lock my screen because I do mountain biking and I always butt go somebody. So 1, 2, 3, triple tap, and my screen's gonna lock. Voila. And then just keep going back, and then everything's gonna be set up once you set it up. Alright, don't forget to subscribe, like, if you want to add something up, comment down below. I see you guys. Peace.